Get it right. Demonstrative pronouns in English grammar. Hello everyone. Today, we are going to dig deep into the English language grammar, focusing on the fascinating world of demonstrative pronouns. We're going to uncover the most common mistakes learners often make when using demonstrative pronouns and, of course, we'll teach you how to avoid them. So, let's get started. Before we start, let's quickly recap what demonstrative pronouns are. They are words that replace a noun in a sentence. The four demonstrative pronouns are this, that, these, and those. They indicate nearness or distance, both in space and time. Now, let's look at some of the most common mistakes made when using these pronouns. Mistake 1. Confusion between this and these, or that and those. Often, English learners mix up this and these, or that and those. Remember, this and that are used for singular nouns, while these and those are used for plural nouns. Mistake 2. Using a demonstrative pronoun without a referent. Sometimes, learners use a demonstrative pronoun without a clear referent. A demonstrative pronoun should always refer to a specific thing or things that the speaker and listener both know about. Here are some tricks to help you avoid these common mistakes. Solution 1. Pay attention to singular and plural. Always keep in mind the difference between singular and plural. Practice differentiating between this and these, or that and those, by writing sentences using each of them. Solution 2. Make sure there is a clear referent. When using a demonstrative pronoun, ensure that there's a clear referent. It can be something you've already mentioned, or it can be something you're pointing to, or even an idea that's clear in the context of the conversation. And that's it for today. Remember, English grammar might be tricky sometimes, but with practice and a keen eye on the rules, you can master it. Keep practicing the correct usage of demonstrative pronouns and you'll soon avoid those common mistakes. Stay curious, keep learning, and I'll see you in our next lesson. Goodbye.